In this video, we're diving into how adding a mini course as a digital add-on can unlock a fresh revenue stream for your e-commerce store. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter businesses and turn everyday purchases into long-term relationships. Today's guide isn't just about selling another product. It's about teaching your community something valuable, and in return, strengthening loyalty and increasing your average order value. Can a course boost product sales? So let's start with a question many shop owners overlook. Can you actually teach your way to higher profits? Imagine a customer buying your premium skincare kit. They love the product, but they're unsure how to craft a routine or take care of their skin over time. Instead of sending them to a blog or hoping they'll figure it out, what if you offered a short, focused mini course that walks them through a daily regimen, explains common pitfalls, and highlights complementary products? That's the power of a mini course add-on. It turns a one-time transaction into a deeper experience that builds trust while showcasing your brand's expertise. Why mini courses work for e-commerce? Mini courses are designed to be concise and approachable, usually somewhere between 30 minutes and a couple of hours of content broken into digestible lessons. For busy shoppers, that's perfect. They don't feel overwhelmed and they get immediate value. From a business perspective, these courses function as digital upsells or order bump products that you can offer alongside your physical products. Now, unlike physical inventory, digital courses don't cost anything to ship and can be sold separately without inventory. That means high margins. These tools can also help reduce returns and customer confusion by educating buyers on how to use your products correctly. When people know how to achieve the best results, they're happier and more likely to buy again. Finding the right topic for your course. The first step is choosing a topic that complements your existing product line. So ask yourself, where do customers struggle? What do people ask most about in FAQs, support tickets, or social comments? For example, maybe you sell kitchen gadgets? A mini course on knife skills or basic cooking techniques could fit. Maybe you're selling fitness apparel. Try a short home workout program or tips for staying motivated. Once you identify the topic, sketch out a clear outline. Explain the problem, teach the skill. Provide next steps that tie back to using your products. Building the course content. Now you're ready to create. A mini course doesn't require Hollywood level production. Good lighting, clear audio, and a smartphone or basic camera are just fine. Structure the content into modules or lessons so viewers can follow along easily. Start with an introduction that sets expectations. Move into instructional segments and demonstrations. Keep a conversational tone. Speak as if you're coaching a friend. End each lesson with a recap and tease what's next. Add simple extras like worksheets, templates, or quick quizzes to increase engagement. These can be downloadable PDFs that add value with little extra workload. Packaging and hosting on Teachable. Once your video lessons and supplemental materials are ready, Teachable is one of the platforms that lets you host them and sell them super cleanly. Here's what Teachable provides: video hosting, checkout pages, pricing plans, including one-time purchases, subscriptions, and payment plans. Plans start around $29 per month with a free trial available, and higher tier plans can remove transaction fees entirely and unlock more advanced features. When you create your course in Teachable, add your materials into modules. Set your pricing. Each pricing plan gets its own checkout link, which you can use anywhere in emails, landing pages, or links from your e-commerce store. Order bumps and upsells in Teachable. You can increase revenue further using built-in order bump and upsell tools. Order bumps let you offer an additional product at checkout, like your mini course, before a buyer completes their purchase. These show during checkout and can increase average order value. Upsells let you offer additional products after checkout on your thank you page or within lessons. Teachable supports one-click upsells on thank you pages that let customers buy without re-entering payment details if the pricing structure supports it. Order bumps tend to work best for lower priced add-ons that your audience can easily justify in the moment, while upsells work well when there's a bit more time for consideration. Customizing the course experience. Beyond uploading content, you can match the course's look and feel to your brand. Use brand colors and typography. Include banners or cover images. Add progress bars or lesson summaries. Enable comments or discussions to build community. Certificates of completion are also available on many plans and can give learners a sense of achievement. Integrating the course with your store. All right, now for the fun part, linking it back to your e-commerce shop. Use a simple call to action on your product pages or in your cart that invites customers to add the mini course. Some example copy on a checkout page might be, learn pro coffee skills in our mini course. Add for $19. Now, because Teachable creates distinct checkout URLs for each pricing plan, you can send people from your e-commerce store to the course checkout seamlessly. If you use an e-commerce platform with built-in funnel tools or third-party checkout customers like Shopify plus order funnel apps, you can even embed Teachable upsell links directly into post-purchase pages. Crafting compelling upsell copy. So your messaging matters. Lead with benefit-driven headlines. For example, unlock glowing skin in 7 days. Level up your barista skills at home. Follow with what the customer will learn and include a few bullet points. A number of lessons, total duration, downloadable extras. Finish with a clear call to action, like, yes, I want to learn. Friendly language here goes a long way. Pricing and revenue considerations. Pricing digital courses is part art, part data. Low-priced courses can work as impulse buys. Higher value ones can stand on their own. Typical pricing for mini courses might range broadly. For e-commerce, add-ons often between $19 and $99, depending on your audience and depth. Track metrics like how many customers accept the add-on, completion rates, whether purchasers also buy physical products later. Use this data to refine pricing and placement. Connecting with email sequences. So email here is essential. You want to set up automated sequences. Welcome email with access details. Encouragement to start the first lesson. Follow-ups with bonus tips or related product offers. Abandon course reminders if someone starts but doesn't finish. This keeps engagement high and reinforces your customer relationship. Avoiding common pitfalls. A few reminders. Don't price your course too low if it delivers real value. That can train customers to devalue your content. Ensure videos and materials are clear and mobile friendly. Balance upselling with helpfulness. Gentle guidance performs better than pressure. Promoting your mini course beyond checkout. Send replayable social posts or previews. Create short trailers on YouTube or Instagram. Blog about a course topic and link to enrollment. Offer short live Q&As to spark interest. Measuring success and iterating. After launch, review conversion and completion data. Ask for feedback. Consider advanced or follow-up mini courses based on what students ask for. Future opportunities and community building. Now, once you've tested one mini course, expand into a series. Offer bundles or premium packages. Partner with influencers. Consider recurring content or subscription communities. Digital products can scale with little ongoing inventory cost once they're created. So if you want to get started with Teachable, we've got a link for you down in the description below where you can go ahead and check out their 4 different plans. They've got the starter plan, which starts at $29 per month, billed annually. The builder plan at $69 per month, billed annually. The growth plan, billed at $139 per month annually. And the advanced plan at $309 per month, billed annually. So take a look at the starter plan here. They've got a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 7.5% transaction fee, which is pretty steep. But if that's where you need to start, it's not a bad place. You get unlimited product drafts. You can create with AI, iOS and Android student apps, global payment and taxes, and upsells and cart recovery. Up from there with the builder plan, you get all that, but you get 0% transaction fees, 5 published products instead of 1. You get an affiliate program, course certificates, and real-time support. So if you want to get started with Teachable, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started. Teaching as a growth tool. Adding a mini course to your e-commerce store isn't just about creating content. It's about deepening your customer relationships and helping them succeed with your products. Today, we explored choosing a topic, creating content, hosting on Teachable, customizing the experience, integrating with your store, crafting upsells, pricing strategically, using email, measuring results, and scaling over time. Are you ready to create a mini course that complements your products and delights your customers? If so, Teachable is the way to do it. So if you want to get started with Teachable, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.